who are in Britain tonight. All right, so some announcements are scheduled for the next couple of weeks. Next week, we'll be meeting in Britain. You're welcome to come, of course, if you'd like to make the trek to the eastern part of the county. On the next paper, the fiction essay, we're going to be focusing on how desire functions or affects one of the stories. I will double check at the break, but I do believe there is a sample fiction essay on Canvas. If it's not, I'll put it up there tonight so you can kind of see how this story goes. So we're going to be meeting on the 12th, but next Thursday, Singles Awareness Day, introduction and outline is due. It will be posted early. I think it's posted now. If it's not, I'll change that again at the break today. So you can get that done early if you want to. Rough draft is due next Friday, and then you'll have the weekend to sharpen up the paper. So the rough draft, if you don't have all your research together yet, that's fine. I will copy and paste your rough draft to the comment section of that quiz so you guys have the text of it available to you. Secondly, because you have had feedback on the formatting with the first paper, I just released the first paper a few minutes ago, you have to format it correctly, or at least I would say over 90% correctly for me to grade the paper. This is kind of one of those things that when you get a college degree, you're proving that you can follow directions, okay? So when you submit it, make sure it's in Times New Roman 12-point font, has the correct name stuff in the upper left, last name and page number in the upper right, and all that sort of stuff. If you need resources to format correctly, I'd be happy to provide them. But by next week's class, you really should, in order to be able to do the journal, narrow down the story that you want to use for the paper, if not the exact story, down to one or two. Just because I want you guys to build the essay not just on your own, but as part of assignments with kind of focused ideas, getting you to craft the beginning of the story. Okay, so just to reiterate, intro and outline Thursday, rough draft Friday, final draft on Monday. Okay, and then we'll meet back here in Atmore on the 19th. So that's all the announcements that I had as far as this class goes. What you guys are seeing on the video behind here is the grading guide for my composition classes, which there's a video in the modules tab. All right, so for you guys, I want you to